This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Farley-Guynes. Stylish, charm, entertainment space, fantastic floor plan. Move in ready and more in this stunning 2-story. This 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home is so inviting for friends and family with spacious covered porch, professionally landscaped backyard and grilling patio. Kitchen is not only beautiful but so convenient to the dining areas and living room but also the multiple outdoor spaces. Quartz counters, white cabinets and stainless steel appliances adorn the kitchen. Large living area with gas fireplace on main. Mid-level is a warm, bright family, entertainment room. Extra storage as well. Third level boasts a huge master bedroom and spacious 6-piece ensuite. Walk-in shower, west/sea, and dual sinks. 2 addl. Bedrooms west/newly remodeled hall bath and a laundry room strategically located in hall. Schedule now for Saturday showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Farley-Guynes at 865-687-1111.